Welcome to IKEA Puebla, Vía San Ángel.
First we open up e-commerce, megalopolis, so the greater Mexico City area. And then we open up Mexico City or IKEA Oceania. And then we continue to expand with e-commerce in Guadalajara, Monterrey, and also Puebla. And today we are in Puebla opening up our second store. And then onwards we will continue to expand into the major cities. We have 240 co-workers, and then 95% of them, so the majority, they're from Puebla, they're poblanos, which is very important for us.
Hola, bienvenidos. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte?
La silla la tengo en este momento en bodega, podrían comprar la silla si es que lo desean.
Everybody is welcome. Come and have a look at the fantastic solutions we have for your home. Fantastic room sets, amazing home furnishing accessories, and come and try our world famous meatballs in what I think is the best restaurant in the best location in Puebla.
And I agree. And bring a little bit of Swedishness back to your home.